Okay, so we're out here on the farm today. I'm going to show you guys how I move equipment around with the skid steer. Makes it quick and easy without having to put pins in the hitches all the time. So we'll go through that process. I'll show you that real quick. It's just a neat idea if you guys want to use it. It helps out a lot. What we got is I took a bolt and cut the head off right there and thread a nut up all the way to where the threads stop. Put a washer on it, put it through the bucket, put a nut on the bottom side. And that way you can just pick the bucket up into the bottom of your hitch, lift it up, move it around wherever you need to go, set it back down, and back away from it. You don't have to get in and out of the skid steer, pinning it to the skid steer bucket or anything like that. It works out pretty well. We'll show it to you here. So that's the system that I use to move the equipment around. You see how quick that made it, a couple minutes, and you get everything where you need it to go versus fighting with the pins. Putting them in and out of the hitches like that, and you just pick them up from the bottom. Works great.